showing you how to draw some characters from Dogman. It's a book about a dog and a police cop, a police dog and a cop that got hurt in a bomb explosion. And so the cop's head was dying and the dog's body was dying. So they sewed the dog's head onto the cop's body, and that's why you can see all the stitch marks there. But this is not what Dogman actually looks like. That's just his superhero look. He normally looks something like this. That's what he looked like. So, let's draw. So, first up, we are going to draw the main character, who is going to be Dogman. So, first of all, their eyes are super easy. We're just going to draw 2 lines. Then we're going to add a point here. Curve up and down till here. Okay, semicircle without a closing. Kind of like that. Next, we are going to draw a straight line, not too long, just like that. Then a little nose. You can add a reflection if you want. I'm choosing not to. Then you're going to add a down one like that. Keep going and connect it with this point here. That's his head. Next, we're going to draw the dots. I don't know what they're called. Maybe muzzle dots. Then his mouth. He's mostly happy, but sometimes he is really upset. So then we're going to draw his ears. So from in to out and back in. Again, in till out and back in, like that. Then we're gonna draw his police cop hat. So just a square, go like this, but a super small, and you color that in black. And their police logo is 3 points like that, kind of like a. It looks kind of, just a little bit like a tulip in Minecraft. If you ever play Minecraft, you'll see tulips around. It kind of looks like that, but 2D. Next, we're gonna draw his body. So, just gonna curve out like this, like that. He's got a really small body. Then you connect it together. Then we're gonna draw that same logo here as a badge. It's a really big police badge. Then we're gonna add in his arms. Well, only one arm, since the author always draws it like this, like one arm. So we're gonna add in an arm. So like this. Then his sleeve. And then we're gonna add his legs. So like 2 narrow rectangles. And then we're gonna go down. This and come back up like a boot. Then we're gonna add in a second one, and we are finished with Dogman, the dog-headed cop. Next character we're gonna draw is Chief, who is a chief of the police department. I'll show you all the characters that I'm gonna draw today at the end of the video. So Chief, let's draw Chief. Oh yeah, and I also forgot one more thing about Dogman. We're gonna have to add in stitches. Alright, Chief. So, 2 lines like this, a nose, a mustache. Just draw a bunch of zigzaggy lines for his mustache, and a little smile. And his head is really round. And we're going to draw the same hat as Dogman, except it's going to say Chief on it, since he's the chief of the police department. Color that black, and write Chief on the inside. There we go. Next, we are going to draw his body. So it's just this, close it off. He's gonna have 1 arm, like this. Actually, let's draw 2 arms for him. This and 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Then we're gonna add the sleeve of the t-shirt. Then we're gonna add in the badge. Now for the legs. Little narrow rectangles. Normally Dogman's legs are a bit shorter, but I like to draw them a little longer. So then same shoes as Dogman. And we are finished with Chief, who is the chief of the police department. Next, we are going to be drawing Zuzu, who is a poodle. So let's draw her holding her owner's purse. So she's really small. We're gonna draw, it's the same head as Dogman, the same head shape, except a little bit smaller, shorter, and her ears, something like that. And she's a poodle. Then we're gonna add in those muzzle dots. Still don't know what they're called. Then her little smile. Then she has like a little furry, like that. Her body is super easy, just a little oval, like that. Then her tail would be like that. Then a little furry fluff ball at the end. Then her legs are gonna look the same as the tail. One leg, two legs, three legs, and four little poodle legs. And now we're gonna draw her holding Sarah Hatoff, who is a news reporter that we're drawing next. Her purse, which she likes to carry around. We're gonna draw this, curve up, two curves down, connect it. Then we're gonna add some detail to the purse, two pockets at the edge, and thicken up the carrying handle, or whatever it's called. Next, we're gonna draw Sarah Hatoff. So this is what she looks like. So a little bit shorter than Chief. Eyes, nose, mouth, round head, then her hair. I'm gonna draw a line like that, and go like this, up and down. Same on the other side, up and down. Then we're gonna add some detail to the hair. You can add some hairlines. If you don't want to, then that's totally fine. And like I said in my catch-up drawing video, if you haven't seen it yet, I said that you can always pause the video if you are struggling or behind. Next, we're gonna draw her body. So just go like this, like that. That's it. Then close it off. She's wearing a dress. It's gonna be the collar of her dress. Then we're gonna add in one hand saying hello. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. It's a long sleeved dress. Then we're gonna add a little detail like that. And she's waving hello to you. Hello, guys. Then we're gonna add little cute legs and shoes. She's got nice purple shoes. And we are done with Sarah Hatoff. Next, we're gonna draw the evil cat that almost killed Dogman in that bomb explosion. So he's always angry. So an eyebrow like that. Then we're gonna add his nose and his mouth connected to it. Whisker dots. Circle head. A tiny cute little ears. And then you can draw 3 whiskers on either side. Then we're gonna draw his body. So instead of curving out or anything in an angle like the rest, he's not gonna be curving out. He's just like straight. He's not wearing any clothes. He's a very stripy cat. He's not a tiger or anything. He's a cat. Then we're gonna draw in his legs. 1 leg, 2 legs. Add in some stripes. And we're finished with Petey the cat. Normally the author doesn't draw arms, so I'm not drawing arms if they're standing still. Next, we are gonna be drawing P.T.'s clone, which was supposed to be the exact same as him, except it turned out to be a little kitty, and he didn't read the instructions. It said, wait 18 years for your clone to reach adulthood. So we're gonna draw his little P.T., who's his clone. So same eyes, always. Then he is very good-hearted. Then he's got a really big head. Just go like that. He's got little eyebrows. Just go like that. Yep, that's what he looks like. Then his nose and his mouth. And then we're gonna draw his body. His body's so cute. It's like a little round body with stripes as well. And his arms don't even have fingers. Just like that. His ears, little tiny triangles, same as P.T. Just the only character in the book that they draw with arms if he's standing still is little P.T. And we're gonna add stripes on his leg. And we are done drawing little P.T. And our second last character that we're gonna draw is going to be his little P.T.'s robot friend, ATHD. So we're gonna draw him. He looks like a big circle like that. Let's draw a big circle. Then his mouth like this. Then we're going to draw his arms. So just go like this. 4 fingers. Come back up. He'll wave hello to you as well. 3, 4. Here we go. Add in stripes since it's P.T.'s robot friend. And that little detail that is waving hello. Then we're gonna draw his legs. He's wearing flip-flops actually, which is the cute part about him. So then we're gonna draw like this, go like this with 3 toes. Come back up. So for the flip-flop, we're gonna go from here, in, out. We're just gonna draw like a big shadow around it, like that. Until about here. Then we're gonna fill that part in black, just to tell you that it's a flip-flop. That's how you draw his flip-flop. Then he's got stripes on his legs, so let's draw some stripes. Dun, dun, dun. Next, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Draw his little feet, 2, 3 toes. Add some stripes in. The flip-flop, again, go in, come back out. Then just draw like a big shadow around it till about here, or wherever you think a flip-flop should stop. And we have successfully completed on drawing ATHD. Next, and our last character is going to be, they have a friend that's a very famous actress. Well, it's not real actress, just in the book. Her name is Yole Caprice. So we're going to be drawing Yole Caprice. Let's draw her. So, she has eyes sometimes like this. I'm just going to draw it to add some extra cuteness. This. Mouth open, teeth. Then we're gonna add in same circle head, then her hair. Her hair is not like Sarah Hadoff's at all. It's totally different. Add some hairlines, and you can add them as messy as you want because her hairlines look pretty messy. I'm just going to do random. Just make sure, just try your best, not make sure that the lines don't go out of her hair to look more nice. Next, we're going to draw her body. So she is wearing a dress. So just go like this. Go like that. Edge of the dress. Then we're gonna add in her legs. So narrow rectangles like all of their legs except for Zuzu and little Petey. Then we're gonna add in shoes. She's wearing high heels. So just go like that. The high heels in this are super simple. Just like a little line, thick line like that. And that's it for today. Now let's color, and we're gonna speed things up. Alright guys, this is finished. It looks great. I'm going to showcase these characters later so that you guys type in the comments whether they look similar or not. So let's showcase them. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed and I really hope you followed this tutorial so that you can get better in drawing. I'm gonna do a few Dogman stuff. So stay tuned for my next one. Remember to hit the like, smash the subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Also, one more thing. I'm going to do a challenge, okay? There's a challenge that I want my subscribers and my viewers to do, which is draw these, okay? Draw these characters. Just look at them. Draw them and post them in the comments, and I will see whoever does the better job will be the one that will be getting videos for a really long time, okay? So let's get that challenge on. Type it in the draw it and copy it, put it in the comments, and I'll see who wins. Thank you, and I'll see ya in my next one.